Guess what time it is, y'all? It's time for a New Year's drink.
Time for a New Year's drink.
And y'all know I don't know how to do this stuff, so I can't do this without Eddie.
This is fancy for me too. I mean,
oh, it is. You like gin and tonic or soda?
Or straight.
Okay.
We had to doll it up because
yes,
it's New Year's
because this
Eve.
is New Year's Eve, and we've even got our fancy little flute things out. This may be the ones that Michael and I toasted.
They are.
They are.
I don't know. We've got a couple of Waterford sets.
Yes, they're beautiful. All right, so yeah, Eddie is not used to measuring for drinks, so that's all right. That's all right. That's all right, Mama.
Pour with the heavy hand.
Yes. All right, so, but the recipe calls for 1.5 ounces. And Teresa said that's 1 ounce. So, is that what we're going to do?
That's what we'll start with. Huh?
What are we starting with?
We'll start with the gin. We'll start with 1 ounce.
Okay. And then 1/2 ounce.
1/2 ounce. But
Or,
just a little bit left.
we don't measure in this house, y'all.
So, are you making one drink or two?
Is that one for one or two?
This is for
one.
one. Okay. So,
Yeah.
all right, then we just need the
So
whole,
right into the
whole
Yeah,
thing.
there you go. Don't even measure. Just use that whole little bottle that I probably got off an airplane.
Okay, then the lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce. You got this measured, or you're just okay?
I'm allowing you to free pour.
Okay.
3/4 of an ounce.
3/4 of an ounce. So we'll just do a tablespoon. How about that?
I don't know.
You got to do it twice, though, for 2 drinks.
Yeah,
And
for 2
then-
drinks. And then the simple syrup. Oh, how much simple syrup does it call for?
3/4 of an ounce.
Again, yeah.
3/4 of a, okay. Now see, I would like it sweeter.
Well, add more.
Is.
Well, the champagne will
Can
add
be a
some
little
sweetness
sweet,
too.
can't it?
Okay, so
And then we got our lemon juice.
We did that. We got-
Oh, that's right, you
So
did.
we're gonna shake
Okay,
it up.
Okay.
Well, we did it. So
I know it, but we can do a little bit more.
we're going to be puckering up our lips.
Puckering our lips up, getting ready for our New Year's Eve kiss.
This is one of the most popular New Year's Eve drinks right now.
Around the country, everywhere.
I'll be dog.
Along with
French
the old-fashioned
75.
Manhattan.
A French 75.
It kind of
Obviously, we never made this before, y'all.
it kind of reminds me of a little bit of a gimlet, but you know,
I don't know what a gimlet from a giblet.
gimlet, not giblet. Okay, so then let's see. We top with champagne, add to the flute, and then top with champagne.
So you want these good and cold, don't you?
It is nice and cold.
Okay, I'll take
And
the
you like
shortest one.
champagne, so that's,
You know, I can drink some champagne. Thank you. And I got us a little lemon twist. And all I did to get our lemon twist is, you know, just a plain old good peeler. Okay.
looks good.
It does look good. So, are we going to make a toast? Some kind of toast.
Let's see.
And let's make it before our drink gets hot.
Here's to another good year,
Yes, yes.
and
And here's to our friendship,
great friendship.
along with all of Michael's ships.
And a happy new year.
Happy New Year! I forgot that one. So we don't have to stir this?
Very good.
It is good.
It's good. Yeah. Very.
So you'll
sweet.
be making French 75s. Is that what it's called? You'll be making these again, won't you? You know who would
Definitely.
love this? Elaine.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely.
You know what I'd like?
Add a little more simple syrup. You could probably sugar the rim if you wanted
That would be good to sugar the rim. Yeah, we'll change this around a little bit and make it our own. Here's to us making it our own. That's very good.
Good stuff.
Do not like alcohol. It ain't bad. Happy New Year, y'all. May your year be everything that you are hoping for.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.